Hey, hey, y'all. I'm back. I'm back. We are gonna do the candy corn tutu. So come on in. I have already started. And I'll tell you everything I did. So I am using, what do they call this stuff? Doesn't have a name. But it is, I'm trying to see if I have the other one up here so I can tell you. Here, let's see if this tells us what it is. Headband ribbon. Hey, hey. It's called headband ribbon. And this, this is what it looks like. I apologize. Tay's cooking peppers down there to make tamales today. And when she cooks peppers, it always chokes us up. So it's called headband ribbon. So it's elastic and it's easy to put the tool through to use or to make the tutu. Okay. So what I did was, and I wrote it down somewhere and I done forgot what I wrote it on. Oh, I actually wrote it on the headband ribbon. So I did the yellow tutu or the yellow tulle at 40 inches. I did the orange at 36 and I did the white at 32. Okay. So 40, 36, and 32. So that it would look like a layered effect. So I wanted the yellow longer than the orange and the orange longer than the white. Okay. Now I know it looks a hot mess right now, but we'll fix it, y'all. We'll fix it. So let me bring y'all down so I can kind of show you what I'm doing. So I'm doing, of course, the yellow on the bottom. So if you stretch it, you can see the yellow loop. So the bottom is what I put the yellow in. And then one loop up, I did the orange. And then the top loop, I did the white so that it looks layered on the ribbon. Is that your outfit for Crafters Convention? No, it's not, but I did just order a Halloween costume. I did. So the yellow, once again, is 40 inches. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking it in half, just like that. And then we're going to feed that through that loop. Pull it through just a little bit. Open it up. And then we're going to take that yellow tulle and pull it through that loop. I know I did. I couldn't resist. I had to. Okay. And then, oh, hold on. I'm getting tangled with the other tulle on there. And then we'll just pull it tight. Just like that. So we're going to put the rest of the yellow on. And then we will add our orange. And then our white. And we'll have our candy corn tutu, y'all. Have y'all made tutus before? Okay, so just pull it through that loop and pull it tight. It goes super quick once you start it. That's why I was like, well, it might take me a minute and a couple curse words. So I might as well get started on it before and have most of it done by the time I come live and finish it up. I made one for a 40-mile charity bike ride. Oh, awesome. Now, I don't think I'd make another one, but it is easy to make. It's just cutting the tool and putting it through. I try to use that long needle to make it a little bit easier. Y'all know the ones that I use to put my signs on. But yeah, it was hard to get the tool through it. So I was like, well, we'll just do it the old-fashioned way. So I cut 20 of each. Part 2 of your birthday present will be there. Who you talking to? You talking to Angie? So we're going to do the tutu, and then I'm going to go fill some more orders. If you have already ordered, most of them are ready to ship. I think I have 5 or 6 left. All right. So now we're going to go in between and up a row. So in between and up. So the orange is cut at 36. I can't sing or they'll shut me down, or I would. So in between the 2 yellow and up a row. I'm doing every other little, can you see them? So I went here, skip there. So I'm doing every other. Now, if you want it fuller, then do every single one. It's really up to you how full you want it. Hey, hey. So right in between the 2 yellows and up a row, only because I want them layered. You can put them all on the same one if you don't want a layered look. Hey, hey. Who's going to Crafters Convention? And who's doing the live stream? Anybody doing live stream? Did y'all know there were live stream tickets available? Did you see that? I have not checked messages. Y'all, I literally stayed in bed the rest of the day yesterday and tried to take my Tylenol. But I will check here shortly. I need to know before Christmas. Okay, okay. Okay, so we have our orange. And now I'm going to the top and doing the white. So the white is at 32 inches. So the yellow was at 40. The orange was at 36. And the white is at 32. You're going to CC and jumping into the pool with y'all? Yay! Look, people thought we was loci last year. But we were the ones having fun. And we weren't even drinking. That was good, sober fun. To buy Sandy Loomis's ticket, so I saw how much the airfare was. Oh, yeah. Airfare is definitely not going to be cheap this time of, or right before. So when I get back, I'll be here for about a week and a half, and then I fly out to Houston. What I didn't realize was that I had booked night tickets, so I was coming in at almost midnight. And Monk, I've decided to let him go with me. And so I had to change those flights because I thought it was AM, but I had booked for PM. So I had to change those flights, and it cost me over $300 to change my 2 flights. I was like, oh man, only I would do that. I'm thinking I need a couple more. So let's cut a couple more. Now the white are 32 inches. So literally this is what I did. I just put it out on my mat, grab and cut. Yeah, I can't believe I did that, but I did somehow. So we had to get it changed. The tutu is for Mrs. Skelly. Miss Skelly, that's what we're working on today. So I'm just doing a series of short videos. My next video today will be making her bow for her head and putting it all together. So if you missed part 1, go back and watch part 1. It will be on YouTube and TikTok next week. No, Monk's dad is here. He moved with us. Are you in? No, I'm not in the wedding. She's not having bridesmaids. I know she's going to be party. Yeah, he did. He moved with us. All right, last one. I think this is going to be enough because I did put a little extra so that I would be able to zip tie it together to Mrs. Skelly. All right, let me bring y'all up so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. So if you missed this morning we did the candy corn candle. So it's going to sit or hold, her hands are going to hold it. And then she's got a tutu. Now, once I get it on there, I'll be able to, and her tutu will go just like that, but it'll look a little prettier once I get it on and fixed. So we're going to have Mrs. Candy Corn. She's going to be adorable. So my next video will be her head bow. Come on, cooperate. She don't want to cooperate with me. So our next one will be her bow for her hair. And then we'll put her all together. All right. I'll see y'all in an hour or two. Bye, y'all.